The purpose of this video is to delve a little deeper into proofs. There are going to be some things that we put on the diagram that we don't use in the proof, but just doing it so you can see what's there. So here in rhombus ABCD, diagonals are not congruent, but they do bisect each other. Prove that AE is congruent to EC. So here we have a rhombus and we're told that the diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, BE is congruent to ED, 1 mark each, and AE is congruent to EC. AE is congruent to EC. Notice 2 marks each. The purpose of that is to say that BE is congruent to ED, but not congruent to AE or EC. AE is in turn congruent to EC, but not congruent to these other two, or these other sides, AD, DC, and so on. All it asks us to prove is that AE is congruent to EC. As we've seen on the diagram, and as always, you should write out the diagram and do your markings on there, E bisects AC, given. You could also say properties of a rhombus. AE is congruent to EC, definition of segment bisector. You could also say, if E is the midpoint of AC, then AE is congruent to EC. This second one, if then, is what you'll say at the beginning of class. Definition of segment bisector is what you'll say after you've been in class for a while. You can ask your teacher when to use each one.